Sir, we are live now. You can start.
Okay, great. So, good evening, everyone. Hi, everyone, and how you all? I hope you are safe, guys, and I hope you are also following all the guidelines of this COVID time. So, I wish you and your family would be safe, and this would be this would also be passed on, and we would again be in a nice time. Okay, so I hope you all had a nice day. Also, we are here with Kumar Sundaram sir to make your evening also great with this Tableau session, guys. I hope you already have some idea about this Tableau thing. I'm not a Tableau guy, so would actually mention about it, what all we can do and all. So I just have one idea about Tableau that it is used for data visualization, and it is very ease of use user. It is user friendly, and yeah, it optimizes query to its own end. So it has its own, like, we get more insights from it when we use Tableau for data visualization, right? So we are here with this Tableau session for all of you. It's one of the first kind which we are doing, guys. Earlier we are not doing this Tableau, but it is the first time we are doing this Tableau session for all of you. I hope you would enjoy this with Kumar sir. Kumar sir here with us. He is into this field. I guess he has more than decade experience in this field, entirely in this data science and AML field. So he is the perfect person, and he's the right person to take you along in this journey. And at the end of this course, this Saturday and Sunday, we have this weekend batch. I am very pretty much confident that I have that confidence on Kumar sir, and I have hope with all of you that you would pay attention and learn whatever sir would deliver, and you'd be confident in the basics, at least the basics of Tableau. So that's where we are heading towards, guys. I'll not take much of your time. Before we actually, before I hand over the control to Kumar sir, I'd just like to know from what all places you are right now watching this session. Can you please put up in the chat, everyone? Okay, Mumbai, Abu Dhabi, great. We also have people from outside India: Solapur, Mumbai, Kolkata, Bangalore, AP, Meerut. Great. Chennai, Indore, Hyderabad, Amravati, Lucknow, Chhattisgarh, Kerala. So Pune, yep, London. We have people from London, Mumbai, Bhubaneswar. I'm from Bhubaneswar. I'm right now in Odisha from Bhubaneswar. Sir is right now at Chennai. If I'm not wrong, please correct me, sir. So yep, Andhra Pradesh, Bangalore, great. So we are actually seeing here people from all around the country, also from outside the country. Someone mentioned here Los Angeles. So yeah, we have a lot of like people from everywhere, New York. So yeah, that's great, guys. Thank you for joining in, and I hope and I believe it would be fruitful. So I'll not take much of our time. I'll hand over to Kumar sir. So sir, please, you can proceed.
Thank you very much, sir. So good evening, everyone. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Okay. So good evening, everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. It's location based. So thank you very much indeed to all joining the session. So my friend, what I'm going to do it, I'll just set up the agenda first, right? What I'm going to do today, what all things you will learn, and I would request, in between, if you have any concern, queries, feel free to use the chat window and ask. Right? I'm more than happy to take your questions. So I'm just sharing my screen, and please let me know if you are able to see my screen. Sir, can you please enable so that I can share my screen?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Sir, you can start screen share. I have enabled.
Thank you very much. Can you please let me know, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Yes, sir. Okay, perfect. Thank you very much. Okay, so before we go in deep dive, I just wanted to give some brief background, right? What is Tableau all about? Why it's mandatory? So my friend, as you know, we are living in a digital transformation, right? So every 15 years, there are some new technology coming to picture, right? So some, it initially, you have heard some language called SAS, statistical analysis software, then R, then Python, then deep learning, machine learning. It's keep happening, right? Every 15 years you will learn some new technology. Currently, people are talking about machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, big data, Hadoop, right? A blockchain and all. So every 15 years, you will get some new technology and you have to upgrade yourself. So if you are a technical guy, if you really wanted to deep dive in this field, you have to, upgrade yourself every time. But today, we are talking about Tableau, right? So Tableau is something, even though we can say last 50 years in any industry, if you talk about, right, we need a visualization, because visualization, we as a human being, we can read, you can analyze by colors, you can analyze with, shape, you can analyze by picture. So that is why Tableau has a very, very significant part. And what all things, you will learn in Tableau. So Tableau has basically 8 software. Guys, there are some questions coming. So my friend, I'll pick the questions answer little later. First, you just wanted to see what all things I'm going to pick, right? Don't worry about the software and all, my friend. I'll tell you how you will install it, right? And I'll tell you the trick also that, you will get 1 year software free of cost for full stack course. Software, right? You will get a professional version, so no need to worry about the software and all. Everything I'm going to cover. Okay, please turn off the chat. Okay, so first thing, my friend, you can see here, these are the software. Please give a glance here. I would request to all, at least you should have fair understanding that what all things there in Tableau, right? So Tableau certification, first, it's a certified course. So you have, we will get 3 types of certification. The first one is called Tableau Specialist Certified, and their cost is approximate $100. Another certification course is called Tableau Qualified Associate Certificate, which cost would be $250. And the third one is called Tableau Certified Associate, which cost would be $600. So this is just the examination fee. And please remember, when you appear in the examination, and if you will not pass that exam, then what happens? You have to reappear and you have to pay again the same amount, right? So please be careful when you go for certification. You can watch complete video, whatever you will learn here, revise all these things. You can, pick all materials, whatever I will share. And also I will share one book so that you can go through this, only then you can go for certification. Now, what are the difference here in these examinations? So the first one you can see, guys, it's their Tableau Specialist Certified. Here you will get less practical, more theory. So it's object based questions, right? You will get objective questions, and there are total 30 questions you will get. Out of this, you have to score 70% marks. Only then you will consider as a you will get a certification. You will consider pass. Otherwise, you have to reappear and you have to pay that much amount. The second one is called Tableau Qualified Associate Certificate, where you will get more practical, less theory. So when I say practical, means you will get some case study, and you have to perform like that, and you will get, there are 36 questions. You have to score 75%. The duration of the examination would be 2 hours. And the third one is called Tableau Certified Associate, which cost is a little high, but it's entire practical things. And it depends, the question, you will not get 30 or 36, you will get very less, maybe 8 to 10 questions only, but that is entirely practical. They will give you a raw data. You have to import the data set. You have to understand the problem statement, and it's the criteria would be how you pass, how much a score you have to obtain. All this thing is internally only. So if you are working somewhere, you are a professional and you wanted to upgrade yourself, then you can go for this certification. Okay, these are the certification. Guys, anybody have any doubt here? I'm just taking a pause. Anyone? Amruta is saying, what are the credential of taking these exams? There is no credential actually. Anybody can become a certified in Tableau. There is no credential in the sense you are a graduate only, then you can go for this. Even you are doing, you are undergraduate, you can also go for certification. So there is no, a criteria there. Only thing, you have to know all these things. Yeah. which is the governing body in the examination. So Rohan, there is a Tableau is a dedicated by one institute only. You have to just search, you will get complete detail that, which governance. So it's not like India or UK or some. There is one governing who is the authorized certified institute, only you will get from there. Okay, but this course and certification is free. Yeah. So the free is you will get a certified from institute, right? From Let's Upgrade. Let's Upgrade itself is a brand. So you will showcase your certification when you go for any interview and all. You can say I have learned thoroughly, but I have not completed that Tableau certification. But this is the proof. You can see I have done this course. See, there are two things happen, guys. In Microsoft Excel, right? What happened once you acquire the knowledge, and you can just learn from any brand institute, and you can showcase that I know Excel, right? And another, you can just enroll yourself, you can pay some amount, and you can go for Microsoft certification, and then you can showcase this. So that is what I'm just telling you for Tableau certification. What you get from Let's Upgrade, that also a valid, you can showcase, you can say I know this thing. So ultimately, please understand, when you go for interview, even though you are a certified Tableau certified, right, and you are certified from Let's Upgrade, both you will appear in the interview and they will ask questions, right? So you have to showcase your knowledge. Ultimate thing is knowledge only. Other thing, you may ask that whether I will get a job, whether I will certified or not required. Certification is just a way, right? You can just showcase in your resume that I'm a certified, I will get the number. Even you can put in your resume that I know Tableau. You have to appear in the examination. No, you can just showcase this. Okay, so guys, there are lots of questions coming. I'm just going through this, and again I'll come back, and in between any questions coming, then please, Chetna ma'am, you can just pick this, some significant questions there. Please let me know that. Okay, guys, so you can see here how many softwares you will get in Tableau. So there are total, we have 8 software there. The first is called Tableau Desktop, right? In Tableau Desktop, you will get 3 versions. One is called Tableau Professional, Tableau Personal, Tableau Professional, and Tableau Public. Now, what is the difference here? When you get a Tableau Personal, guys, you will get only Excel and CSV file. You can only import the Excel file. You can only import the CSV file, right? Apart from that, there are some languages you must heard about, R, Python. Nowadays, everybody is talking about data science, machine learning and all. If you wanted to give the connection on the R and Python so that you can fetch the data and you can do here some visualization part, that is not possible in Tableau Personal. But yes, you will get, Excel and CSV files so that you can do your work, right? And the cost wise, it's a bit cheaper. You can do practice if you wanted to do a reporting also. So you can buy this. The cost would be $420 per user per year. The full stack, another is called Tableau Professional, which is full stack software, guys. You will get everything here. You will get everything. Whatever the database you can see, everything you will get it here. SQL connection, Big Data Hadoop connection, SAP connections, everything you will get it here. But it's cost wise little high because it's $840 per user per year there. And public, this is for free of cost. This is for student purpose. If you wanted to learn something, you wanted to see the tab, you wanted to see what are the features there, you wanted to see how we can do a practice and all, then you can go by Tableau Public. It's a free of cost. Just Google it, just write Tableau Public, you will get it. And very simple software, guys. You can just put it, you will get all these things. Yeah. So these 3 are the version for desktop, and here we will get a 5 that is called Tableau sharing the report. So if you wanted to do a reporting part also, then you can go ahead with this.
Excuse me, sir. Actually, they have some questions. I think I need to address that. Otherwise, they would just keep on asking that in the chat. So yeah, guys, some of you have seen like asking about the attendance thing, asking about why it is required, and somebody is asking whether it is free or you have to pay some fee for the certificate and all. Let me just clarify this. This course, the Saturday Sunday weekend course for 2 days, it is absolutely free of cost, guys. You just have to attend it, okay, and you'll be getting a certificate. But before you get certificate, in order to get certificate, you have to give an exam and qualify that. So there would be an exam after this completion of this course. And to be eligible in that examination, you have to put this attendance. So we would see like who has put the attendance like in the for the both the session today and tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday. If you have put attendance for both the sessions, Saturday, Sunday, then you are eligible for the examination, and you have to give an examination. If you qualify the exam, you'll be getting a certificate from us, from Let's Upgrade, certified by NSDC and Skill India, also ITM group of institution accredited. Okay, so that is what it is all regarding the certification and attendance thing, guys. I hope I have cleared out your doubt. So I'll not take much of your time. Sorry to interrupt, sir. You can carry on, sir.
No problem. Thank you, sir. Neil is asking, will there be a project? So guys, in class itself, I will complete minimum 5 projects, right? And apart from that, I'll give you lots of data for your self practice. So don't worry about the project. Just need your, support, right? I wanted a synergy approach. I can contribute, and you guys can also contribute.
Sure, I'll definitely
something,
help
yeah?
you with that information. Just give me 1 minute.
What about the
Thank you so
software?
much for coming in as a voice verified customer, Mr. Abhilash.
Guys, please mute yourself.
Okay, thank you. So certification is valid for your lifetime. Don't worry about this, Albert. Okay. Okay, so guys, you can see these are the 5 server you will get. So if you wanted to get a Tableau reader, so that is completely free of cost. Again, this is for learning purpose. If you wanted to upgrade yourself, you can download this Tableau readers, and whatever you can do in Tableau public or professional or personal, right? You can just publish here. The only limitation, or you can say barriers there in readers, you cannot change it. It's the name suggests reader. You can see only the read one. The time you can import that the graph or visualization and all, you can only see that. That's for visualization only. You can't amend, you can't mutate, or you can't filter it, right? So that's the barrier only. But there are some filter and other stuffs there that you can play, you can understand, you can enhance yourself. The second version is called Tableau Online. So what happened, it's for cost purpose. I can say Tableau Online. There are lots of startup, they buying the Tableau Online because there is no very less cost there. You need not to hire some employees who will take care of the server and all. Everything done by the Tableau company only. They will for computational, I can say, for what I can say, the fast point of view, you will get all these things by company only. They will provide all kind of support. Only things, whatever report you will prepare, you have to import here and you can publish it, right? The maintaining, doing some other stuff, KYC, all these things is not required at all. This is called Tableau server. So most of the company, right, what they are doing, they wanted to buy their own server so that they have a proper team, they have a proper governance, they have a proper IT team. They are taking care of all the repository, how many members logged in, how many members they need access, all these things. If they wanted to do it, they can buy the Tableau server. If you buy the Tableau server, by default, you will get Tableau mobile also. So this is just like a app kind of things. So in mobile itself, you can just log in the app and you can see whatever, the app. Let's say you are working somewhere and every day you have to publish a report that what would be the transaction happen, how much benefits we got it, all these things. So that part you can download the app, and wherever you are not required that you have to log in your system only, then you can see in your mobile phone also. So for the ease of business, this Tableau mobile phone is given. And the Tableau preparation software, recently it's upgraded. So that Tableau preparation is nothing, it's more or less about the Tableau professional only. But here what you do, there are some additional features there. So like I say, we are living in a digital world where we are playing with the data, right? So data is like a fuel. So data preparation, right? Whenever you get huge data and you wanted to do a manipulation, you wanted to do summarization, you wanted to do aggregation, you wanted to do a filter, you wanted to do a mutate, you wanted to remove some variable and wanted to add some columns. So that part you can do by the help of data pre-processing. Once pre-processing part completed, let's say there are lots of missing data there, there are some overlap data there, there are some outlier there. So what you do, you can use the Tableau preparation and you can share that data with Tableau Professional so that they can import and prepare the graph. So this is a holistic approach. You can keep in mind that if you wanted to do a certification, anyone, I would suggest first you go with the first one, then second and third, or else there is no criteria. You can directly appear in this examination. So whatever I'm going to teach you, I will ensure, guys, if you go through my materials, my content and everything, you will definitely crack this one, right? So you can try this, and these are the holistic approach. You can keep in mind that, okay, in Tableau I need the software. Okay, so this is what is there. Now coming to the software, how I get the software, guys. So which software are you guys looking? Are you looking full stack software, or audio is not audible, guys? Am I audible or not audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Yes, thank you. So okay, someone is saying
Yes, sir, audible.
full stack. So everyone wanted full stack, my friend? Yeah, full stack. So there is no option twice, right? We have only twice to get full stack, and without, right? Without even a single money. Can I say free of cost you guys are looking? Or are you ready to pay $840? Free of cost. Okay. So guys, very, very simple method, my dear friend. What you do, you can just go in the Google. Okay. Just go in the Google and just type 1 minute. Okay. So you can type here Tableau Professional. Tableau Professional. Professional download. Okay. So you have to download this one. Tableau will provide 14 days full stack free of cost, guys. Right? Whatever, I'm going to teach you, everything you can do it. Everything you can do it, but they are giving for 14 days only. Okay. But Tableau is also providing 1 year lessons free of cost for students, right? If you are a college student, if you have a valid ID card, you need not to worry about that. You can just go and type in Google Tableau Professional Student version, right? You will get full 1 year. But for that, you have an ID card, right? You have to just put your valid email ID, and then they will ask some detail, your name, your email ID, your mobile number, and also they will ask you which college, which year, and you can share the scan copy of Tableau. So this is what you can do it. You will get 1 year full stack course, all connection. Even you are planning to learn the data science, deep learning, artificial intelligence. You wanted to import the data set in Tableau for visualization purpose. Everything is possible in Tableau, guys. And this is what you can do it. Some of the students, they can say, I am a professional, I am working somewhere. I am not a college student. What I have to do? So you can just check with your family member, your friends. If they are studying somewhere, you can ask them. You can take with them, right? Their ID card, and you can use this. So this is what you can do it. Sounds good, guys? You can try this. Or else for learning purpose, I would suggest you can download for 14 days is fair enough. Today and tomorrow we have a session. So you can just go through it and still you will get 12 days. You can just do practice. Yeah. Okay. So sir, please repeat what of type for students. Type is, you can simply go here, my friend. You can just say Tableau student download. Simply you can write it, and the first you will get Tableau for students. You can see here, and just go Tableau for free. See here, student, you will get full stack. Whatever there, the professional, the person, they are paying $840 per year. You can see country, personal information, all these things you can put as school and this, and then they will verify this whether college is valid or not, and they will ask, please share the scan copy. Within 10 to 20 minutes, guys, you will get a full software for 1 year. Okay. Okay, I tried this with my cousin, but won't happen for 1 year. I already have professional version for my university. Okay, brilliant. Okay, so guys, now you can see here. Now you can ask where we can use this, right? Where we can use this or Tableau. Even I know the Tableau, what is the benefits, right? So my friend, if you go in, you can see this, a PPT. if you go in manufacturing sector, automobile sector, finance sector, insurance sector, legal sector, right? Any field you wanted to go it, everywhere visualization is required. Why visualization? Because we can speak, like I said, we can't speak with data. Data is something we can say it's a fuel, but you know, we as a human being, our brain is working 90% faster when you see the visualization, right? Visualization can speak. If I say, okay, can you give me 10 years data, and can you please bring a time series forecasting data, right? Data, you will get millions of millions, right? Even I can say billions of data, you will get it. Even, you know, some of the project you will do it, you will get petabyte data, right? Terabyte data, you will get it, which is very, very impossible that you can, you know, speak with the data. You need a visualization only then you can speak, right? So that is why it's very, very imperative, very significant, guys. You know, Tableau has a bright future. Most of the company, they are hiring for Tableau developer. If you are a data scientist, if you are getting opportunity nowadays, you can see all data scientists, it's mandatory. They have mentioned you should also know Tableau, and that's the great opportunity, right? You are learning here Tableau, these things. So you need not to do any extra effort. 2 days or 4 days work, guys. You will do the professional kind of things. And believe me, whatever the case study I'm picking, that is complete professional real-time case study, and will teach you how you can do it. Yeah. Some questions came after the session. Can you please share the PPT? Yes. Rishi, I will upload everything. PPT, data set, what I will do, everything I'll teach. I'll share with you. Okay, this is for you guys only. Right now, please give focus. There is no version for Linux. Shreyas, don't worry. I'll give you a proper link, right? You can just click on that link. It's Tableau is supporting for both Windows as well as Linux. Okay. Linux also it's supported, and financial analyst Tableau. Okay, guys. Okay, now you can see here, my friend. So these are the countries detailed there. I'll share with you. These are some salary range given, right? As per research, if you are in these location in India, there are high demand in Tableau. Even you are a data scientist, they will give a profile for Tableau developer also. So you have to do this. And it's both, right? Data science and Tableau developer both going hand in hand, because you should very, very thorough about statistics, guys. So that's why, you know, I would request to everyone, you can learn statistics also if you really wanted to become a data scientist, right? So these are the some ranges there, but this is the older one. It's a 2020, early 2020. I think it's a 2019 data. But now we are living in a different situation, so the demand is more high, right? These are the competitor there, guys, for Tableau. This is Tableau, and these are the competitor there. But you can see only competitor are for Tableau is Power BI. Power BI is the only which gives competition. Other than these are not a leader, so these two are the leader one. So you can just go in and Google and just say Gartner Magic Quadrant, right? You can see here, just type here, Google Gartner Magic Quadrant 2021. And you can see here, you can go in the image and see this. Copy this image. And by 2020 also, 21, guys, you can see here, these are the leaders. Microsoft and Tableau are the leaders only. These two are the leaders. Others are okay, right? But like I said, visualization is very, very significant for all industry, guys. Even you learn SAS, statistical analysis software. There also you should know G-chart, right? If you are working on R, you should know what is ggplot, right? What is ggplot2? If you are learning Python, you should very, very thorough about matplot, seaborn, or data prep. If you are learning in deep learning, that time also you should understand the visualization part. That is called TensorBoard, and there are Plotly, and there are lots of visualization tools there. So visualization has a bright future. That's why I'm saying, you know, if you are a data scientist, You should say that I am a data scientist, but I am very, very thorough about the data analytics and data visualization part. So it's basically it's applicable for all analytics field. As you guys must be aware that there are 4 types of analytics you will get. One is called data analytics, where you will get descriptive analytics. So whenever you get a past data, you have to do a visualization. You can see how the trend going on, what are the seasonality there, right? What are the components we have? You can see most of the company, they are doing a scatter plotting and all. So that everything is possible in data visualization. Yeah. So please turn off the chat. Okay. Correct. Otherwise, I'm getting confused. I'm getting lots of messages. So these are some competitor there, guys. If you wanted to, understand the competitor also, because you are a data scientist, right? So you can definitely go in deep dive and you can understand what is, what feasibility or functionality there in other other visualization tool. You can just, go through this PPT. You will get some flavor. You will get some glimpse. There are few things which is very, very good, very, very significant, and that's why Tableau has a big role. You can see a speed of analytics. So one thing, the best part in Tableau is you need not to learn language, guys. Tableau is just drag and drop, right? You need not to learn Python or SQL or other language. It's just drag and drop. Excellent visualization. Yeah, I'll showcase this. Don't worry. But the speed of analytics. So even though we have a billions of data, at one click you can drag and drop, and then you can build a visualization. Very, very nice tool. Self-reliant, so it not depends, because we have ODS and all connection there. So you cannot depend on other software. There is no, every connection is given here itself. Visual discovery, of course, we have lots of readers and other things there. You will get many more discovery. Like I said, if you wanted to do a time series forecasting, you wanted to do a clustering, you wanted to do a recommendation system, how Netflix, Amazon works, right? You wanted to do some other things like a classification algorithm. You wanted to do some other kind of visualization like neural networks. So everything is possible here in this Tableau, guys. So in terms of colors, trend line, chart, graph, everything are given, right? By default, Tableau will give 24 chart by default. You need not to do it. But apart from that, if you wanted to do anything, that is also possible, or you should know this. Blend diverse data set. So blending is one of the best thing in Tableau, guys. What you do, if even one sheet you have Excel sheet, another sheet you have a CSV file, third sheets you got from Python, IPy note. So anything is there and you wanted to combine together. You wanted to use the SQL concept, right? You wanted to do a join, left join, right join, outer join, inner join, full join, right? Any join function you wanted to do it, that is pretty much possible in Tableau. So that is also you can do it. Architecture wise, as I told you, the architecture, there is a screen there. I'll tell you what are the architecture there. But you will get a lots of feasibility in Tableau. You can do all these things. Real-time collaboration, of course, we have, and centralized data set. So if you have a server, then you understand which time most of the people they log in, which time my data is free, how many people actually have access, how many people they devoted the time on this. Everything you will get it in centralized data. So you run that report and you will get it. Other than you can see here, these are the own features there in Tableau desktop, Tableau server, Tableau mobile phone, Tableau readers, Tableau online, Tableau prep, right? So there are many more features there that you can install and you can upgrade yourself. Like I said, this is the free of cost. I'll share this link. You can download it and you can see all features. These are some application there. So like, if you have Apple, so what all supported, everything is given. Apart from that, if you have, then that will not support, but anything which you have, Tableau is pretty much supported these things. This is what the architecture, that guys. So you can see here, and my friend, please understand, just give me 5 more minutes, then I'll go in the actual things, the coding and all, not coding, the visualization only. But this is, pretty much important, very significant. You should understand the architecture. Anything you learn, you should understand what are the architectures there, right? So the architecture in Tableau is customer data. So you will get a warehouse. Warehouse means you will get a different source of data, right? Everything you will get it here. Also, you will get a data mart, or you will get a files, different files. You will get some cubes files also. Cubes in the sense I can say and dimensional data, 3-dimensional data, right? We have a SAS, a statistical analysis software. So these all, customer data, these are something in the format of customer data. You can connect data connector. You can connect in Tableau, which is very, very fast engine, guys. You have a SQL connector. Like I said, you can do left join, you can do inner join, you can do right join, you can do full join. Everything is supported here. And we have MDX connector also, even though we have a cubes data, right? Normally, we as a human being thinking about 2 dimension, but if you have a 3 dimension and beyond that, if you are thinking about that, right, you can do that part also. And main component is data server, visualization server, you will get it. And this is application server. So application server will tell you that how many people logged in at what time. It will actually forecast this, right? They will forecast that when, which time most of the people they logged in it. And they have own gateway. We have a desktop, browse. These are the things, the functionality there. These are, own gateway there. So you will get a proper desktop format. You will get a browse, you will get a mobile app, everything you will get it. And this is what the repository is. Repository means they have all command. You will get, in SQL, like you have learned something called DDL, DML, all these things. So here also you will get all command. How many data are stored? So you will get a millions data stored here, and you can do it. You can fetch, you can get a connection also, or you wanted to store in your system, in your local drive, that is also possible. Okay. Okay, so now what I'm going to do it, I'll just see the questions and then again I'll give you some background, and then finally the time has come to tell you that how you can do a visualization and all. So let me check the questions. Can 12th student learn Tableau? Anyone, Amrit, anyone can learn Tableau. There is no boundaries for, if you have a G, if you wanted to learn, you can do it. Tableau plus SQL. SQL is a structured query language, so of course that is different language. There you have to know the language. I work in Tableau, please ask me. So this, okay, Divyansu. Okay, fine guys. So there is no questions now. Like GitHub. Yeah, Nikhil, absolutely right. Good example. Okay. Do we have to learn SQL? So that's very, very good questions, Barun. So, you will get a good opportunity in Let's Upgrade, right? If you go through the data science course content, right? It's, you will get an opportunity to learn SQL also. So they have given, we have prepared, a syllabus module like that, where you will get all these things. So when you enroll for, PGP, this postgraduate program course, right? You will get complete repository, all these things. You will learn data science, data analytics, you will learn deep learning, you will learn Tableau, you will learn SQL, everything you will learn it. So I'd request you can, see the syllabus also for Let's Upgrade. So you will get it, that part as well. Does it support Python? Of course, it support Python. So share PPT, I will share definitely. Please carry on training. You can question on the session. Okay. Yeah, that's good idea, guys. My friend, I would request everyone just hold for a second. Your questions. What I'll do, I'll give a proper time for question answer session. Right? Please give a glance here. That is very, very significant part. Otherwise, lots of things will, we will get stuck. You guys will also not get it. So when we have organized for 2-day session, that is full learning only, instead of asking some, some basic questions and all that. Anyway, you will get it. Yeah. Everyone, guys, can we go ahead? Okay, thank you very much. So my friend, you can see the first part, you should understand how many data type we have in Tableau. Okay. So there are 5 types of data type you will get it, my friend. The one is called a string. A string is nothing, it's called character, right? So Tableau is supporting character. Any character is there, any string there, that support. The second is called number. So any numerical value there, that also supported. Anyway, numerical value is the main things. Tableau, the another data type is called Boolean. Boolean is nothing, it's called logical value, binary value, which you will learn in classification, right? Problem 0 or 1, yes or no, true or false, positive or negative. That is called Boolean. Then the other data type is called date and date time, right? So we will get date and date time format also. It's a date and date time. Basically, it's a kind of number only, but in a different format, different number, right? So that is also Tableau is supported. That is the data type, and other is called geographical dimension. So in which geographical dimension you belongs? In when I say India, then in India, how many states there? In states, so how many districts there? Similarly, when I say USA, then how many states there, right? So similarly, everything geographical dimension, you will get it. And that's why, there is a brilliant visualization there that is called map. So when you use the map visualization, you will get all these things, okay? So these are the 5 data type, please remember. And this is certification questions again. In certification, you will get how many data type we have. Can we support Boolean? Can we support date and time? Like that, they can change it. So please, understand, if anybody asks, you will get, you can say this. Other than, you can see file extension. So you will get, normally, what happened, you will get Tableau workbook and Tableau packed workbook. These two you will do very, very frequently. And I'll tell you what is the difference actually, right? So every day you will get Tableau workbook or Tableau packed workbook. So one thing is called Tableau workbook. What happened? We create a visualization. We saved in our system, and I'll share that visualization to you, right? When you open, you are not able to open. If I share the Tableau workbook, reason is the data, what data I have imported, that data, if you don't have, you are not able to open that, right? For that, for the ease of this, there is another extension called Tableau packed workbook. So if I share the same visualization, but in the different extension called TWBX, right? Tableau packaged workbook. What happened? You can just unpack this and you will get a data set also. So I am not, responsible to share the data set. I will only share the data visualization part, and you can just unzip this and you will get. This is just kind of zip function, guys. Yeah. Other thing called Tableau data source. You can just explore all these things. These are very, very self-explanatory definition given. So you can just go. I have shared the link also. You can just go and upgrade yourself. You can understand what all things there. But of course, one is very, very powerful called Tableau data extract. So Tableau data extract is nothing. Let's say you have a warehouse, and every day you are coming and you are getting a report at 10 o'clock. You are getting a data set, but due to some ad hoc work, you came office early and you wanted to get the data at morning 9. What happened? You are dependent to the data warehouse, right? Once they will send, only then you will import and prepare the report. So what you do, instead of depend on this, you can extract that data. You can save whatever happened yesterday or day before yesterday. You can save in your local machine, and next day when you come early or whatever time, you can just import it and you can plan it. You can do it. So that's the feasibility you will get, and that's why the extension would be different, called .hyper. In early, before a 10.5 version, people were using .tde, but now it's .hyper once we use the 10.5 version. So these are the features there, guys. Okay, so now the time has come to do a business case study. But before that, I wanted to see the chat window. And my dear folks, what you have asked, difference between live and extract connection. I'll come there. SRS, very good question, by the way. Sashi Kumar again asking PPT. Please change the PPT to presentation mode. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that. See, in fact, I'll share this thing. I don't want to spend more time here because our purpose is to more learning. But before we start learning, right, any new things, you have, the approach, what all things there, what you are going to learn, what basically we are doing to, work it. So that's why I told you these things. Rajesh is saying geographical fifth type data, that is called geographical dimensional. Okay, Priya, Rajesh, that is called geographical dimensional data, like a state, country, city, that is called geographical dimensional data. So that is also supported. So can we get this PPT? Answer definitely yes, you will get this PPT, don't worry. Okay. Next questions. Can Tableau useful for financial analyst? Deepak, in initial, I told you Tableau is something, you know, all industry, and financial is one of the reputed, right? So all industry, even you can say medical sector, everywhere you will get, even telephonic, everywhere you will get it. In learning curve also, guys, you have to do a visualization. So definitely it's very, very significant. And financial, of course, the first data set you can see it's a financial data set only. So what is this? The ask here is it's end of the financial year and it's time for annual bonus, right? Let's say, you know, we are working in organization and it's the end of year and we got a task that who would be the eligible for bonus, right? So how you will differentiate it? So here the ask is the store operate in 3 regions, right? And only the top performer employee in each region qualifies for a bonus, right? Find out the 3 employees are eligible to get bonus for the year, right? Employed are measured on the total sale. So you can see the question answer, right? You can see the first data set. So office supplier, this is the data set. So my friend, you can see here the data set. So we have order date given, right? These are the variables there. Column is known for variables and row are known for observation. Okay. So these are the variables given, my friend. We have order date, we have reason, representative, items, unit, and unit price. Now in this data set, the ask here is who would be, which representative would be eligible to get a bonus? And the region, we have a different region. We have East region, we have Central region, we have a West region, right? So as per region, you have to predict who would be the eligible to get a bonus. And bonus is decided on the basis of unit and unit price, means how many unit they have sold and what would be their price and what the benefits they got it. That's the clear-cut message is there. Now, like I said, you know, you can just go one by one. You can filter this, Richard. You can see how many members are there, what is their unit price and unit they have sold it. And after that, you can create one variable and do that. It's very difficult, right? You cannot go by the data set. You have to build a visualization. So for that, you can see here, this is the Tableau professional version I have. Pritham is saying, please provide the data set so that we can do along with this. Pritham, you can do it, but please keep in mind that we have, 5-hour session only. So I wanted you can just give a focus here the way I'm doing it, and you will get a recording video and all. Don't worry about this. You can do practice later. But like I promised, you will get a PPT, you will get a data set, you will get everything. Okay, so don't worry at all. Yeah, even you will get a certification question paper also. So you can just go it. Just give a focus here, my friend. You can see here connection, right? So if I click here more connection, you can see all type of connection you will get. Any data set, any, if any new software is coming and there is no connection there, you can go here in JDBC or ODBC and you can import here. Everything they are supporting it, right? And normally we will get 90% time you will get, even you are doing some data science course, mostly what happen, your client, your stakeholder, they will share the data set into TXT format or CSV format or Excel format, right? Like that they will give you. So I'm just importing this data set. You can see here, I'm just connecting this data set. And here we have office suppliers given. I'm importing this data set. So you can just click and it will ask you, okay, you have to import the data set. You can see here the time I did it, by default it came here. And here you go. So whatever there in office supply, guys, whatever there in my Excel sheet, order date, region, representative, item, unit, and unit price, everything came in my system now. You can see everything came, order date, reason, representative, item, unit, and this. You can see this. And here there is other options there, this one. You can see manage metadata. You can click here. It will come field name, Tableau, and remote field name. So it will give an option. Let's say some of the name are not clear, right? There are some jargon name there. There are some technical names there. which only programmer or developer, they know only this, right? But if you wanted to share with your client and you wanted to change this order date, means what? You can simply say this is the from year's date or anything. So you can just go here and instead of putting order date, you can say date only. So that is, you are getting a feasibility to update your variables name. You can update it. So I've just used here date and it updated. You can see when I do the remote, it's not enabled, it's disabled. I'm not able to do it. I'm not able to do it. What is the reason? Reason is, let's say in future, or you wanted to see what is date actually. So this is my resource data, original data, where I imported this. So you are not able to change your original data, but you can change, you can do the manipulation part with your actual data. That's why it's field name and it's given remote name. Remote means your original source, field name means you have a feasibility, you can do it. Yeah, so this is what you can do it. Amal is saying I'm the only one having the lag issue. You can check your internet connection, guys. Okay, now some friend asked me what is the connection and extract. You can see here, my friend, this is what I'm getting here, the feasibility, connection, live and extract, right? You can see here we have live and extract. So let's say, like I said, you are working some organization and there are some connection, there are some repository there, right? That warehouse there. And every day, whatever you are doing in live, it stores somewhere, right? It stores somewhere. So you can do the live connection. But let's say you wanted to, take that data in your local machine also. So what you do, you can use the extract. Yeah, you can use the extract here. And when you do the extract here, you can see it's coming here. You can edit the data, you can filter the data, all feasibility are given. You can filter here, you can click add, you can add the filter here, which variable you wanted to take. So let's say I wanted to see the region, right? In region, I wanted to see the central only. So you can say central only, and you can just say okay, and you will get here. You can see, you can do the filter here also. So you will get only the data is called center, right? You can just click on the live, and here also you will get the options called edit. You can say, okay, I wanted to remove this filter and I wanted to see everything. You will get it everything. So this is the feasibility only Tableau providing. If you wanted to store the data in your local machine, instead of going in somewhere, you can use this extract option. And when you do extract, guys, when you click here in the sheet, it will ask you save data, and you can see here the extension is coming .hyper. So wherever you can see .hyper, please understand that meaning is you are storing the data set in your local machine. Yeah, that is what the meaning is. So I'm just doing with my live data set only. So you can click here then sheet, right? And then you will get a proper format. This is called visualization sheet, guys. So here you will get a table, unit. This is called measures, and this is called dimension, guys. You can see here, I'm just using this. Just give me 1 minute, my friend. I'm just looking where the okay. So you can see here, guys, we have a table. So here it's coming date format. Other thing also you can notice here. Like I said, there are 5 types of data type, right? One is called date and date time. So you will get the calendar format, right? You can see the image. You will get a calendar format, right? You will get ABC. The time you can see ABC, please understand this is a string. The time you will get a hash symbol, please understand that is my number, right? Similarly, you will get a Boolean value and geographical graph. So I will import another data set, and I'll tell you when you get a Boolean data and when you get a geographical dimension data and how you will understand this. Now the time has come to do some practical things, guys, here. So here you can see what is the ask here. What is the ask here? The ask here is the store operates the 3 regions, right? So they are saying 3 regions. First, they are talking about there are 3 regions there. Only the top performer employee, in each region qualify for a bonus, right? So 3 region means only 3% they will get, they are eligible for bonus, right? This is the ask here. Find out the 3 employee are eligible to get a bonus for a year. Employee are measured on total sales. They are saying employee are measures on the total sales. Now, my dear friend, if I ask you, total sales means, can I say total sales means, can I say here total sales means, what is your maths here? Can I say total sales means total number of unit multiply the price? Can I say that is called sales? Everyone agree? This is what the total sale, my friend. Yeah. Guys, someone is asking crack version. Guys, there is no crack version. I don't recommend it to go these things, and please don't ask such questions. Yeah. Okay, so guys, when I say measures, what is the measures there? Then definitely you can go by the unit and unit price, right? Same thing you can do in Tableau also. So what you do here, my friend, you can just right click, and you can see here create calculated field. Okay, you can just click on the create calculated field, and you will get this pop up. What you do, you can put here total sales. You can just write here total sales. Total sales. And what is the max? You can say unit price. You can see here unit price. And this is the comment. If you wanted to write something, you can put the comment sign like that. Okay. You can say, I wanted to predict total sales, which will possible by multiplying by unit and unit price. So as a best programmer, every time whenever you do something, you can write a note also, right? So that you remember this. Now you can say unit price multiply unit. Okay, this is the formula there, guys. You can see here, this is the formula there, unit price and units, right? And I have stored the name called units total sales. Say apply, say okay. Now you can see here total sales came. Yeah, total sales came. Now, if you wanted to see what formula is there, you can just drag this and you can click on the edit. Yeah, and you can see what formula you have written here. You can see this, what formula you have written it. What you do, my friend, first you can drag this. See, it's a drag and drop only. Like I said, there is no programming required. Anybody can learn Tableau, guys. Anybody can learn Tableau. Yeah, only if you spend ample amount of time today and tomorrow, and then you just do a practice 3-4 hours. Believe me, you will get lots of insight, guys. And then it's a tool. So if you wanted to, gain a proficiency, you have to do regular practice. Yeah. So you can see here, my friend, what you do, you can just drag this region and put it in column. You can see here, I'm dragging this and column. The time I did it, what happened? It's saying region, we have a central region, we have east region, we have west region, right? Again, what I'm doing here, representative, because here the ask here is a very simple ask that 3 regions, only the top performer employee. So they are talking about employee also. So what you do here, you can just go and just drag this employee also. Representative is nothing, it's called employee. Drag it here. The time I did it, what happened? Region and then representative. So region, central region, these are the representative. East region, we have 3 employees, and west region, we have these employees. Yeah. What you do, total sales, drag this and you can put in row. You can see here, the time I did it, I got this by default. You can see here, my friend, how brilliant Tableau is. Just drag and drop, no language, nothing is required. Yeah. Now what happened here, you can see the color also. When I drag region and representative in column, it's coming in blue color, guys. And when I put in this total sales, it's coming in green color, right? So please understand, this blue color is nothing, it's called dimension. Dimension means a string, character, okay? And date format, that is called dimension. any numerical value, numbers that will come here, right, is called measures. So sometimes, when you go for certification, they ask what is the difference in measures and, a dimension. You can say measures are numbers, right? Dimensions are nothing. It's called integer. It's a Boolean value. Not integer. It's called character, a string. It's a Boolean value. It's a date and time. So this is what is happening. Now you can see other feasibility here. This drag button, guys. It's called sorting. You can sort this, or you can sort like that. At one click, I am able to identify that who is the top performer in the central region. You can say Matthew is the top performer, right? Here in East region, you can say Susan is the top performer. West, you can say the James are the top performer, right? You can see it. And you can click here this show option, guys. There are 24 options Tableau are providing, 24 by default. These are the 24 charts by default they will provide it. I'll go through all 24 one by one. Okay, I'll tell you all these things. Apart from that, some excellent things also I'll tell you guys. You can see how brilliant tool it is. Yeah, my friend, anybody have any questions here till now? Perfect, very good, thank you very much. Now you can see here, okay, is it possible that can I change the color here, right? So what you do here, you can put the representative and put in the color here, okay, you can see the color. You can say, okay, I don't like this color. Is it possible I can, give another color? You can see here representative. You can just see my cursor, guys. You can click here, go in the edit color, and you can see here the feasibility. You can pick any color, my friend, by the help of this button. You can see these are the options are given. These are the options there. Any color you wanted to do it, you can do it, right? Apart from that, some of the company, they are very particular about color coding, right? You are not supposed to use red, yellow, blue like that. They have a standard color. So that is also possible. You can add your own standard color, right? That also I have given in one of the PPT. You can just refer that thing. If you wanted to, create your own color, your company a standard color, you can do it. That is also possible, my friend. Okay. So this color, let's say I'm saying the first Matthew, he is the top performer. That will come in the blue color. Let's say I'm just saying the color would be a blue. This color. So Matthew will come here, Matthew, and you can put this color and say okay. So Matthew came like that. Another, you can say okay, do I need to change some other color? You can do it. Alex, can I change the Alex into this color? You can change it. So that is possible. So anything, color coding, you can just spend lots of time and you can do it. Other thing, my friend, you can see here. You can say, can I maximize this? So here it's coming as standard, right? You can click here. You can see entire view. So you can click here and you will get entire view here. Okay. Now you can say, okay, I can see the name of the person, but how much, total transaction or total amount or total sales they did it. When you put cursor, only then you are getting, okay, total sales $3109, right? Is it possible I can give the label? So you can see here features, guys. We have a color, we have a size, we have a label, we have a detail, and we have a toolkit. What you do, you can put the total sales and you can put it here in the label. And you can see here, you are getting a label also. Yeah. Now you can say, okay, I'm getting a label, but can you convert into dollar? Can you please convert into dollar, right? Or rupees or whatever. You can, what you do, you can just click here and click on the format. The time you do, you can see here, you will get a feasibility options or field option. Click here, go in the customs, and you can see rupees came. Now you can say, can I change dollar? You can put it and put dollar sign. Now everything came dollar. Now you can say, okay, can I change, reduce the dimension value? This. Now you can say, can I convert into thousands or millions? So you can put in K. So it's coming like that. This is also possible. Now you can say, okay, can you please give the representative name in between? You can just put a representative name, put in label, you will get a representative name. Now you can say, okay, is it possible I can put inside, right? So that is also possible, my friend. You can just go here. This. You can see here. Change the part, not this one. Just clicking here, and you can just click in the alignment. Here I'm saying this, going in the middle, this in the center, and you can see here. This is what you can do it. Yeah, you can say, can you please convert in the presentation mode? You can see here this. My friend, are you okay or not? Please tell me. Till now, my dear friend, are you clear? Atul is saying, is it possible to add some color for the highest? Yeah, you can do it. No, you have all feasibility, my friend. You have all feasibility. See, any color you wanted to do it, you can do it, right? You can see here, you have a full liberty here. Edit color, you can see, okay, which one you wanted. Everything same color, that is also possible. Just remove this part. I don't want to put in color coding. You can do it this. See here. Representative, I'm just removing the color, same color came. Now you can say, can I change color by reason wise? You can put reason and put in color. So reason by color. Now you can say reason wise, can I give the different color? So first reason comes, you can give some other color. I'm just putting traffic color. Central would become, let's say, red. This will become this color, and west I'm just saying blue color. So this will come in the blue color. Say okay, that is possible. Now you can say, okay, representative also, can I change the color? You can put in color. Representative also comes. Everything is possible, my dear friend. Are you with me? Some questions came, sir, can you repeat the last part again, adding the text in the middle? So you can see here, my friend. What I did here, my friend, this is the label. You can click on the label. You will get this option, alignment. And please understand, this very simple thing is there. You will really enjoy this, but you have to do regular practice. Otherwise, you will forget it. So you can see when I click label, I'm getting this option. And now alignment, you can click here. And here you are getting all options, automatic, horizontal, directional, vertical, wrap, all these things. So what you do, you can set a middle. If you say, you can say left side, so it will come left. You can say right, you will get right. You can say center, you will get center. Here you can say, okay, top, so it will come in the proper order. You can change the shape, you can change the shape. So everything is possible here. This one you can say, okay, go in the bottom, go in the center, go in the top. Everything is possible. This is what you can do it. Clear, my friend? Okay. My friend, at one go, I'm getting lots of chats, so maybe I missed something, but you can repeat again then if it's really. So this is just one. Now you can see other things, guys. What I'm going to do it. You can see here there is another sheet. This is called sheet. This is called dashboard, and this is called a story. I will teach you everything, my friend. How to prepare a dashboard, how to give a presentation in a story mode, right? How you can do a visualization with the what I can say, very nice format, right? Everything is possible here. Now I'm clicking on the second sheet, okay, this sheet, and what I'm trying to do it, I'm just picking here reason, and I'm putting here reason, this you can see here, and then I'm just saying unit total sales equal to here, total sales equal to here. I'm getting a historical graph. Now what I'm trying to do it here, guys, what I'm trying to do it, and everything I'm doing drag and drop only, my friend. You can see this. I'm just doing drag and drop. Click this, and here, this is my pie chart, guys. I'm just clicking on pie chart. Okay, this is what I'm getting here, pie chart. Now I'm saying, okay, please give the complete entire view. I'm clicking here, entire view. You can change color and all that you already know now. You can just go and change the color here. You can say, okay, I wanted to change the color. So you can change the color. You can say, the central will come in the yellow color, or whatever color you wanted to do it. East would be my different color. You can put some other color, and whatever you like, you can just go ahead and you can do like that. So it's up to you. Now I have done it. Now you can say, okay, in between, can I give the region name? So you can just say label. What is the total sales? You can give the total sales, and you can increase the size also. That is also possible. So you can increase the size as per your requirement. You can do it. This is what. Now you can see the magic here, guys, how powerful Tableau is basically, right? You can see here tool tip, right? You can see the tool tip here. You can click on the tool tip. The time you click it, my friend, I hope everybody is following me, right? If I'm going very fast, please let me know. It's okay. A screen is not visible. Sir, if the doubt disturbing session can be taken out end of the session. Yeah. Okay, guys. So you can see here. You can see here. You know, when what I did here, I'm just clicking on the tool tip. I'm clicking here, and I'm getting here insert button. Just you can see insert. It's saying seat, means I have already created the seat one. Can I compile both the seat here? Right? Can I do this? You can just click yes, seat one, and you can see the magic here, guys. Okay, and you can see the magic. How powerful tool is. Whatever there in the seat one, you can see in the seat two. West region, this is south region, east region. So this is my total transaction, central wise, west wise, east wise, and what are the performance measures there? Everything you are getting here. Are you with me or not, my friend? Everyone. Yeah. Please repeat. Okay. What I have done, guys, what I have done here, I'm just picking another seat. I'm saying I'm just picking region here. You can see I'm just picking region here. And then here total sales, I'm just dragging in the row. I'm getting here histogram. What I'm doing, I'm just converting into pie graph. So pie diagram. Now what I'm doing, I'm saying, okay, I wanted to see the entire view. You can just click here. You can increase the size, increase the size. Now you can say, can I give the label name? So what are the regions there? You can say regions are east, west, and central. What are the total sales? This is the total sales west wise, right? The region wise. Now who are the top performer? That we already did in seat one, right? This is already, I'm saying here eligible bonus. So I'm saying employee bonus. Just writing the seat, and this is called bonus. Seat name, I'm just giving bonus. Okay, this seat is called just pie chart. Okay, pie chart, just giving name. Now in bonus sheet, I wanted to import here. What you have to do here, you can just click on the tool tip, and now you can see the insert button. You can just click on insert, and you can see seat. Now you can see there are two seats coming. Why? Because I have imported seat 2 also, where I have already prepared this, and seat 1 is bonus. So I'm saying, okay, please drag the bonus here. Click this bonus 1 and say, okay. Now you can click here. You can see this. How amazing tool there, guys. See, without writing even a single code, you can do all this thing. This is just a basic stuff, my friend. I will teach you, you know, beyond this curve, guys. Amazing things I'm going to teach you. Don't worry. But I need your support. Are you guys? Are you with me or not? Please tell me. Till now, so far, so good, guys. Yeah. Thank you very much. Super. So this is what you got it. Now you can just share the report. This is the ask. You can just send a mail to your stakeholder. Say these are the employee, their total sale is this, and these 3 are eligible as per central region. Your work is done. This is what you can do it, my friend. Okay, this is what you can do it. So now you can see here what I'm trying to do it. I'm just saving this sheet here. I'm just saving this sheet. So all bonus, sheet 2, pie chart, I wanted to save this. So I'm just, you can click on file, and you can see here save as. Click this save as, and I'm going here in this let's upgrade desktop. I'm just clicking let's upgrade, and here I'm just writing bonus. Now you can see here, my friend, you can see here there are two extensions is coming. One is coming Tableau workbook, another is coming Tableau package workbook, right? If you select Tableau workbook and you can save here bonus, you can go in the let's upgrade and you open this, you can see here. This is what you got it, guys. This is bonus, you got it, right? This is bonus. I'm just closing this sheet now. Tableau sheet, I'm just closed, right? I'm just opening this. You can see here. Just opening this Tableau desktop again. And you can see everything is already there. Bonus, sheet pro 2, pie chart, everything is there. Everything is there. Yeah, everything is there. Now I'm just saying, okay, please save this and please save in this format. Please save the bonus, but save in the different format called TWBX. And I would suggest going forward, my dear friend, whenever you do anything, you please save in this TWBX. If you are sharing that sheet to someone, right, so that they will get a data set also. You can see I'm just saving here bonus and this. Now you can go here, you can close this and you can see here bonus. What happened? What is the difference, guys? This is my TWB and this is called TWBX, right? This is called yellow line. You can see the yellow line. Means the time you see the image, both have the same content, right? But this is if I share the mail, right? I will send a mail and I will say, okay, please find this. See, it's a 21.2. How it's a zip file actually, right? It's very, very less. Even you can see the data set, sample data set, you can say 3.2 mg. But this, when I unzip this, its size is very less. And I will send a mail to you. And you can, what you do, you can just click this right click and you can unzip this, guys. You can see here, I'm just doing a right click. Or what I'm doing here for you, for better understanding, I'm just clicking both. Copy this. I'm creating one folder here. Tableau sheet. And I'm just saving here. You can see, my friend. If I'm saying right click, there is package coming, right? There is not unpack. But when I click here, you can see unpackage coming, right? When you click this simple TWB, you are not getting unpackaged. Only it's coming open package. Means if you have a data set, only then system, you are able to open this visualization. But if you don't have data, if I share this report alone, that means data set will also go together. You can see when I say unpacked and I'm just saying, okay, you will see the data will also import here. You can see here, there are some dummy file will created and along with the data set. See here. Are you with me, my dear friend? You can see here the bonus data set along with the bonus TWB file also created. And here data, whatever the data I have taken here, office supply, this also came. Are you clear? What is the difference? Yeah. Okay. Now, I'm just taking 1 minute time. I'll pick another project and you will see amazing things there also, guys. But before that, anybody have any questions or anything, I'm more than happy to take it. Or you can ask me. Okay. Image data set, what is the position? They have Tableau, how can we view the data? Break, Deepak, only 2.5 hours class, you need break. I already told you, no. Guys are not giving focus thing. See how to add this sheet. You have to just click on tooltip, right? And then you can click this. It's possible. Yes, yes, Preetham, we can do forecasting. All things is possible. You can get a trend value. You can get a seasonality. You can get a cyclic data set. You can get a noise data set. Everything is possible, right? And that is why I said it's a very, very imperative. If you guys really wanted, if you guys really want, why Excel so if you guys, I'm getting lots of questions, so in between I'm getting interrupt. If you really wanted to upgrade yourself and you really wanted to do something, right, the fruitful, you wanted to get a job in this field, then you should learn data science. Very, very significant, because when you learn data science, what happened, my dear friend, you will understand the complete picture, right? What is probability, what is statistics, how the language, how Python will change your perceptions, right? And apart from that, there are all these things will get. And then if you upgrade this Tableau, what happened? It's very, very simple, right? When you say can I do the seasonality or trend or time series data set, that means you should very thorough about time series forecasting, right? It's not only the drag and drop. You should understand the algorithm. You should understand the machine learning concept, right? Like you said, regression analysis. Of course, you should understand the scatter plot. When I say regression, you will see that I will do the regression part also. Very good question you have asked. So regression, that means you should understand what is R square value, right? What is adjusted R square value? How you can understand whether my data is a linear line or not? How you will understand whether my data is a sigmoid curve or not? How you will understand whether my data is a ReLU or not? So all this thing is possible when you have a knowledge, guys, right? Tableau, of course, it's one of the brilliant tool. No need to learn any, coding and all. It's just drag and drop. But before that, you have to know very, very thoroughly about algorithm, about machine learning, data science and all. And this is really a golden opportunity, guys. Let's upgrade. They're providing all these things. So you can just go and see the syllabus and, upgrade yourself. Yeah, I think there is a new batch is going to launch it on 24th May. Right, it's a full stack course, a PGA course. You can please upgrade yourself. You will learn all these things again. Okay, that anyway, I'll discuss this. How did you learn Python data science library like NumPy? Very, very good question you have asked, but I don't think for that very simple answer, you can enroll yourself in Let's Upgrade and you will learn all these things: NumPy, Pandas, Matplot, Seaborn, right? sklearn, scikit-learn, everything you will learn here. Don't worry about this. Water, yes, my friend. Ramya, everything is possible. See, whatever graph you are saying, everything is possible. There is nothing that you will not get it. Everything, Tableau will give all feasibility, right? You will get all these things. Okay, so without taking too much time, guys, now what I'm doing, I'm just closing the chat window and I'm picking another case study, and you guys can see what all things we can do it. And we'll give some statistics background also, my friend, now. Okay, so you can see here the case study. I'm just closing this. I'm just opening Tableau. Case study 2. Okay, so this is the case study, guys. This is the problem number, business problem 2, unemployment trend in India. Okay, India data. So let's say you hired in a government of India as a Tableau developer, and they have given assignment, right? They have given assignment. Your first assignment to deliver an analysis with area chart, right? They are very specific. They are saying, okay, I wanted to see the data in an area chart format, right? This is what the ask is, which help in showing the unemployment across different age group, right? So they are asking, as per the age group, please tell me what is the unemployment rate in India. Also help them to navigate the chart using different filter. So they are talking about filter part also, guys. I'm going to discuss about filter also. There is advanced filter. Filter means don't think about this Excel alone, right? We have to do this filter and that's it, work is done. Not like that. This is not the filter only, my friend. This is not only filter. Beyond that, you will see some additional filter also in Tableau. So this is the case study there. Are you guys clear? What is the ask here? What is saying here? You can see the data set also, unemployment data set. I'm opening the unemployment data set, long-term unemployment data set. Okay. So my friend, you can see here, we have given age group 16 to 19 years, 20 to 24 years, 25 to 34 years, 35 to 44 years, 45 to 54 years. So like that, we have age group given, right? Gender given, we have a period given from 2005 to 2000 or till Fab 15 givens, right? So there are total 2005 to 2015 means 11 years data given, right? And we have unemployment date also given. So how many unemployment male there on the month of Jan 2005, how many females are there, women's there on the same month Jan 2005. So this is the data is given. Now it's very, very difficult to build, visualization here. You can do it in Excel also by the help of pivot table, but you will not get all from, feasibility and all. For that, what you have to do, you can see here, I'm just importing the data set. You can see Microsoft Excel. It pop up, guys. Now you have to import the long-term unemployment statistics. I'm just importing this data set. And my friend, please give at least few, 5-10 minutes. Please concentrate fully. After that, you can ask questions. Yeah. Otherwise, you will miss lots of things. I'm going to tell you lots and lots, the good things about, guys. Now you can see I have imported the data set. Sheet 1 is enabled. You can click on the sheet 1. Now, the first ask is, you can see here, the first ask is, deliver an analysis in area chart which help the showing in the unemployment across different age group, unemployment rate. You can go here and age group is coming here. You can say, okay, age group you can put here. That is my age group. And then you can say unemployment rate. You can just drag it unemployment rate you are getting here. So simple graph, I just say, okay, I'm getting 16 to 19 year unemployment rate is this. So this is just, I'm saying, okay, unemployment is a level. So what is the unemployment rate? This is what the total year wise. So I'm saying age wise unemployment rate. So I have taken only two variables, guys. One click, age and unemployment. I got all the details. Yeah. Second, I'm saying, okay, can I pick the period here? Means year wise. You can see I'm picking here period 2005, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 years. Here I'm saying unemployment rate. When I'm doing this, you can see amazing things, guys. This is called time series. Someone asked me time series forecasting, right? You can see here, this is called trend data, guys. Yeah, you can see here. Now you can see the features here. You can click this years and you will see it's coming year, quarter, month, day, mode. And here again, it's coming year, quarter, month, week, day, mode. Guys, please see this. And can anybody tell me, I'm just enable my chat window. Can anybody tell me what is the difference? Why it's given twice? Year, quarter, month, day, year, quarter, month, day. Why it's coming twice? Anyone? Okay, someone is saying ascending, descending. Sasidharan is saying discrete and continuous. Very, very good. Very good. Very nice. Month wise. Good. So who said this part, guys? They are really good. See here, discrete and continuous. Discrete is means nothing. It's called categorical, right? Continuous means it's my numeric variable. Regression is a numeric problem, right? You can say it's a continuous problem. Classification is a discrete problem. It's a dichotomous problem. Yeah. So this is what happened. When I say year, that means it's a discrete. What happened here? It's coming in the 2005 all years, all months data. Means Jan to December accumulated data there. But the time I change into this year, you can see here, year wise, I'm getting this data now. You can see here. So in the month of 2005, how many months there? Each month data I'm getting here, month by month. Now, similarly, guys, I'm just saying, okay, please give me the month wise. It's a year wise. I'm saying month wise. Click on month. You can see here. This is called time series data. Every month data I'm getting it here. You can see here, guys. This is what the calculation is. So here, that's why I said it's very, very imperative. If you really wanted to upgrade yourself in Tableau, you must know data science, my friend. Yeah, you must know, because there you will get opportunity to upgrade yourself. You will learn statistics, you will learn mathematics, some bit of probability and linear algebra, right? And definitely you will get many more aspect of this linear regression, logistic, time series forecasting, everything you will learn it. So that's the benefits you will get it. So what you do here, you can just say year, quarter, month, like that. If you wanted to see day wise, you can put a day wise also. Yeah, day wise also. Now you can say, okay, this is my total, unemployment detail is there. Now please tell me, is it possible that you can convert into male and female? Means I wanted to see how many, month wise male there and how many females there. So what you do, you can just put a gender, and gender just put in the color here, guys, color here, and you can see this. So now blue color is nothing, it's male, and this color is nothing, it's called women, right? You can change color also, like I said. So I'm saying, okay, main is my blue color and this women is my green color. You can put it, so you will get like that. Now you can say, is it possible I can find the age wise? You can just click age and just put in the color. You can see here, you will get age wise, guys. You can see here 16 to 19 years this color, 20 to 24 years this color, everything you are getting here. Okay, just 1 minute, guys, I'm getting a call.
Sir, so you're not audible. You have muted yourself.
Yeah, thank you. Now I'm audible, guys.
Yes, sir. Now you're
Yeah,
audible.
thank you very much. Sorry for interruption. Okay, so this is what happened, guys. Now I have just converted into age by, you can see this. So here also you can do full maths. You can just go elaborate all these things. What is the meaning of discrete? What is the meaning of continuous? When we can use this continuous variable? So all these things you can just upgrade yourself. Do this. See the difference. You can see the difference. This is actually my, when you say month, and here you have select the first one. That means what happened? All months, all 11-year month got added here. This is the difference there, guys. Please understand. This means Jan means all Jan, all 11 years Jan. What would be the unemployment rate there? Everything accumulated here. Yeah. But when I convert into here this month continuous, I'm getting like that. I'm getting like that. Yeah. Now you can say, okay, can we do some amazing things also? You can say, okay, I'm just putting here this part, age, and this gender you can convert into details. So you will get like that. So this is what is called line graph, guys. This is called line graph. You can see here, this is called line graph. So this is the difference in line. But the ask here is in area chart. What you do here, you can just go, I'm just putting here line graph. Line graph. Now I'm just clicking this, and you can go and do the same thing. Period. Select month wise, unemployment rate, this, age by here, and gender, you can say detail. You are getting this. Now you can change this part also. And what you do, you can just click on the area chart. So this is what the area chart is. Okay, you are getting the area chart. Now you can say, okay, can I say here age color is this? So I'm getting area chart like that. This is what you can do it, or you can say area chart detail. So you will get this part. Just give me a second. Area chart. Yeah, this is fine. Now you can see here. And please understand, this is also someone asked you what is the difference in map and what is the difference this area chart and line graph. Area chart. It's very technical things, guys. You can see when I put area chart, it's coming 70 or 7,000 K. When I'm going line graph, it's coming 1,000 K. Right? You can see the difference here. Now, what happened here? What is the difference here, guys? What is the difference here? When I say line graph, let's say I'm saying age group is between this and the unemployment rate this like that. So this will go. Another line graph, the employee rate is very less, but again very high. So what happened? They are just crossing this line. They are crossing this line. But if you go by area chart, what happened? If it will go like that until let's say this is a 500, then what happened? From here, this is the boundary. This is the threshold value, guys. And from here, the other part will, run. You can see this is what exactly happened here. When I'm saying area chart, there are lots of, overlapping this. You can say there are lots of overlap here, but area chart, there is no overlap. You can easily understand, okay, this is 65 and over. This is my 54 or 55 to 64. And you can just go and do this. You can click here. This is called action chart, guys. I'm clicking 16.2. I'm getting only this data. And you can say in the month of April 2010, that time the highest unemployment rate there in our country. You can just click here this. You are getting, okay, in the age group this, I'm getting that. So all age group wise, you will get the detail, my dear friend. You will get the detail. Yeah, you will get the details. Like that it happened. Yes. Okay, so here also you can do some other stuff. You can see, okay, gender wise you can put labels. So you can see male and female, everything you will get it. So if you wanted to bifurcate, you can go and you can click this part. So it will give the brilliant visibility, right? So that is what it's up to you how you wanted to do it, right? It's completely up to you how you wanted to do it. So this is what you can try it. Now you can see, can I do other stuffs also here? You can see, I'm just doing this age group. I'm just saying, okay, age, you can click this button and you can see here, create. Yeah. So create is coming here. You will get calculated field, group, set, parameter. I'll tell you all these things, guys. Don't worry about this. Now I'm just saying, okay, can you please click in the period here or, okay, that's fine. And here unemployment rate. This month, age group, and go here in the color code and you can just, it's up to you how you want it, right? It's up to you, guys. You wanted to see a heat map, you can do it. You wanted to draw this line, so you can do this. But please remember, when you build like that, my friend, you can see how amazing graph came. See this part also, you can say a completely different, guys. You can say entire view. It's very difficult if you write a code and you can build it. See how accumulated. You can say, okay, I just wanted to filter this part. You can just get other data got height. Yeah, this is what you can do it, my friend. Now you can say, can I do other filter? You can see, guys, age, you can just put in filter here. This is called, alter filter here. You can click this. And the time you put age here, filter, put in age. Raj is asking, so line graph is accurate or area chart? Raj, it depends. No, they have asked area chart. Why? Because you can see area wise, you can tell them that what is the implied. So area, what it will do, it will segregate in a proper format. If you ask me personally, I will definitely go by area graph. right? Because it will give the proper format, no overlap, nothing, right? But line graph is also very, very significant when you build a linear regression, right? You are building a model. That time line graph will also give. But visualization point of view, when you give a presentation, will you go by line graph or will you go by this? When there are clumsy data there, when there are lots of information there, which one you will go? It's up to you, no? Somebody is asking, sir, when we have a Tableau, then why we use Matplot and Plotly? Very good question. See, some of the startup company, Tableau is a license version, right? I told you there are some costs there. There are some costs involved there. If you wanted to buy one license, their cost is $840 per year per user. In company, there are 20 staff there, 20 developer there. What happened, my friend? What you say? They have to buy $840 into 10. Lots of cost. Python is open source. If you know language, you can do it. If you know Plotly, if you know data prep, if you know Matplot, if you know Seaborn, you can do it. No, even if you know deep learning, you can do brilliant things there also. Yeah. So that is why you can do it. That's the difference. Every tool will give this. Nikhil is asking, how do we know where to use which type of graph or chart? That's why I said you have to enable yourself. You have to very, very thorough about data science. Very, very valid question, right? If you don't know statistics, right? You don't know how we can do it, how we'll perform it. They have asked, okay, what is the trend going on? The time they say trend, immediately you can understand, okay, they are talking about the time series forecasting long-term problem, right? They say, okay, what is the season? Which season I'm getting more information? So that means you have to know the seasonality. Yeah, please give me the top 10 performer. Who would be this? How you know that? You can build a scatter plot. Only then you will get it. So for that, you should very, very thorough about the other stuff also. Only then you can, gain this. See, this is not just drag and drop and your work is done. When you say I am a business analytics or I am a Tableau developer, you should very, very thorough about other things also. Am I right or wrong, guys? Are you agree, disagree? Yeah. Perfect. Thank you very much, my friend. Now, one amazing thing I wanted to do today, then only I will give you some background. I'm just saving this data set so that you can explore later. This is called project 2. So like I said, you can just go here, put in the filter gender. You can see you wanted to select male only, you will get a male only. If you select here female, you can just edit this and you can put female. If you want both, you can put both. All feasibility given. You can see here, you can click it. Lots of option here. Customer value. You can just put here and you can say, okay, this is just a SQL, guys. In SQL structure query language, if you know that, you can put here some content. Just say women, you will get this. This is huge all. Everything you will get it. Another is called wildcard. You know that, right? In SQL, you have learned this like, percent like. These are the things you will get in wildcard here. So that also you can do. Let's say I'm saying women. Okay, WO I'm just writing here. You will get only female data. You can see you will get only women data, right? So this is what happened in the wildcard. So you have to explore all these things, my dear friend. You can see here, you can say, okay, can you please use the wildcard star end with exactly match. Then you have to give the condition. You can say, okay, I wanted to give some condition. You can put some formula. No if else formula is very famous. Whenever you build a model, wherever you can do if else, nested if function, while function, right? Unless or until function, everything you can do it here, guys. That is also there. You can see range, you can give it. Now you can say, okay, we have a big data and I wanted to see the top 10 performer, top worst performer, right? You can click here. You can say top and bottom. Who are the worst candidate there in my team, right? They will get a 2 rating. Who are the top performer? They are getting the 5 rating. Just click one button and you can say top employee. You can create a parameter also. whatever condition you wanted to give it, just write it in the create value in this, and then you can go ahead and do it. Amazing things, my friend, you can do it. Yeah, amazing things you can do it. So these are the feasibility there in filter. These are the feasibility there in the filter. So you can do this feasibility also. Yeah. Other thing you can see here, age, you can just drag in the page. This I will do later. I'm just importing this another data set. Okay, I've saved in different format. No problem, I'll save it this format. Okay, thank you. Now I'm just picking the case study 3. This is just the initial, guys. Tomorrow even better things I'll teach you, right? Some excellent things I'll teach you, how to do the animation kind of things, that is also possible. This is a very, very nice, the case study. You have been hired the supermarket in Europe as a Tableau developer, right? Supermarket data set there. Your first assignment is to deliver a dashboard with map view. Amazing things. That's the benefits you will get it in a Tableau, guys. Map view, okay? And of the profit margin and a scatter plot also. You can see here the next ask is a scatter plot. A scatter plot, which has detail about customer, which help the business to find the profitable customer by state using action filter. Okay, using action filter. You have seen action filter. That is just a basic. Then also help business to educate what is the difference between action filter and highlight. Yeah, you can see the difference, action filter and highlight. Interactive dashboard with the help of quick decision in the time. Interactive dashboard also they are saying you have to create a dashboard. So many things they are asking, right? So what I'm doing here, you can see a very, very brilliant things, guys. I'm just importing I'm importing the data set, supermarket data set, and you can see. Import this and Amazing Mart global supermarket. Okay, this is the supermarket data set there. So here I'm saying order. You can see order. Double click this. This will give the SQL feasibility, guys. Double click this. And then I'm just saying, okay, can connect with the return also, or people. Okay, so I'm getting what are the details. Okay, so many things there. Fine. So you can see the first is saying map, right? You can see here, guys. I'm getting here country. Then we have something called a state, and there is something called city. What you do, you can prepare a hierarchy report, guys. You can click here this country, click on the hierarchy. You can see here hierarchy and create hierarchy. And here you can say country is my hierarchy. Drag this state, drag this in a state, and then drag this city. Right, this is called hierarchy report. Now, if I draw this country here, guys, what happened? You can see all country. If I drag this, you will get a state wise. Again, you can click this, you will get city wise. So all information you will get, that is called hierarchy report. Okay, hierarchy report. Now, let's say I'm putting here sales. What are the sales country wise? So we'll get all details here. You will get all details here. But the first ask is, you can see the first ask here is, Prepare a map view profit margin. Profit margin means there is no profit margin there, right? So you have to use the calculated field. So you can click and create a calculated field, and here you can say profit margin. Profit margin, and that is called sum of sales, sum of profit divide by sum of sales. Run this. Okay. Profit margin came. Now what you do, you can just drag this state and put here in this graph. You can see, guys, this is called map view. Drag this, and the time I put it, you can see here I am getting, this is called map view, geographical dimension data. Yeah, geographical, this is called India, Pakistan, all these things you can see here, guys. And you can just put here this will come, this will give you a proper visualization. This is called map view, this is called symbol map view. So when you click on symbol, you will get the circle. When you click this, you will get this one. And you can say, okay, can you please change the color also? You can put color here. See, amazing graph, guys. Amazing graph. You can see here. Now I'm saying, please change this color only. Yeah. Now you can say, okay, I don't want to see the state wise. I wanted to see the country wise only. You can put country wise. Now you can see this is the country wise. Now you can say, okay, please give the country name here, label. Put the country name in the label. So drag this, not coming. And you can put profit margin. It's not coming. Just give me a second, guys. See the data set there, supermarket. Yeah, this is the data set there. I've taken this amazing mark supermarket data. So this is the data set there. You can see here my friend list of order. I'm doing it, and I've just double click. It will give the feasibility to add the another cell also. So you can add it here. You can just drag and drop it. See, when I click it, it's coming here. This is called SQL join function, inner join, left join, right join, full join. So as per join function, you can do it. Okay. Now you can go in the sheet one, and here I'm doing this part. So I'm saying here profit margin, calculated field, profit margin, sum of profit divide by sum of sales. Okay. Now you can see here, my friend, what you do here. This is my state. You can drag it here in the state. When I drag it, guys, you can see 127 unknown is coming, right? 127. So because you can click this unknown and you can click on the edit location. You can see because it's coming, country is India, and these are the states detail given which didn't falls in India. This is actually in UK. So what you do, you can click here and you can just say from field by, country by. When I select it, see everything comes, no red is coming. Now you can say okay. So there is no error is coming. You can see everything came. Now you can just click in this graph. This is what is coming now. You can put here state wise, state and color. No, it's coming perfectly fine. See how brilliant is this, guys? And if you wanted to country level wise, you can put a level wise also. That is also feasible, possible, guys. So I'm saying, okay, country, I don't want to give name and all. This is what is coming. You can say what is the total margin profit. You can give the label. That is also possible. What is the state wise? You can put the label state wise. So you will get all details, guys. You can increase the font size and you can get all the details. You will get it. You can increase this and everything, all geographical data. You will get it here. So many analysis here. You can do this, but only thing is you have to do lots and lots of practice, guys. Other thing you can see here. There is other things also given. It's a scatter plot. So you can see how you will do it. And that's why I said, guys, if you really wanted to upgrade yourself, you have to know very thoroughly. So I'm saying here, sales is this, profit is this. And here you can say customer information. You can just put in detail. And this is called, and now you have to build a trend line, guys. You can see right click trend line, show trend line. And this is what you are getting here. This is an interview question also, guys. You can see when I click here, I'm getting profit R square P value. P value is nothing. It's called hypothesis testing, right? Anybody have a background? They must know what is in, hypothesis testing, alternative hypothesis and null hypothesis. R square is nothing. It's called accuracy. It's a linear line, right? You can change this. You can right click and you can just say edit line and you will get it here. Logarithmic means it's a sigmoid curve, guys. If you know logistic regression, you can build a sigmoid curve. It's an exponential curve. It's a power curve. It's a polynomial curve. We have a 2 degree. We have 3 degree, 4 degree, 5 degree, 6 degree, 7 and maximum 8. Right? Everywhere you will get some information here. See, profit equal to like you have learned basic maths, guys. You have definitely learned in maths y equal to mx plus c, mx plus c, where c is nothing, it's called intercept value, m is nothing, it's called coefficient or slope, x is nothing, it's called independent variable, y is my dependent variable, right? So for that you should have understanding of this. Yeah, so these are the things is possible, my dear friend. These are the things you should know this, and everything you will learn if you really you guys are very conscious, very serious about this. Then I would request, you guys can enroll. The batch is going to launch, I think, on 24th May, right? And the date are given till 31st May this month. And if you guys really interested to upgrade yourself, even though you are pursuing your undergraduate or a graduate, you already have done graduation and you are pursuing whatever, right? But here what happened, you will get a PGP certification also, guys. So you will get this part as well. So this is what is there. Rahul is asking what about the fee. I think if you compare across the industry, right, it's very fee wise it's very less. It's a 25K only, and you will get complete data science package, guys. You will get data analytics, data manipulation, exploratory data analysis. You will get data visualization, what you are learning here. Along with you will learn Matplotlib, Seaborn, then TensorBoard, Plotly, all these things you will learn there. And then data science. In data science, you will learn everything like supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, reinforcement learning. Then you will learn deep learning. In deep learning, you will learn everything like DNN, deep neural networks, CNN, convolutional neural networks. You will learn something called other steps also like computer vision, OpenCV. You will learn recurring neural networks. You will also learn LSTM, natural language processing. Everything they will cover. Apart from that, some bit and pieces also given like SQL. Nowadays, if you see the job description, right, wherever you can go. All data science or a machine learning engineer, it's a mandatory. They have mentioned SQL. So SQL also a structured query language also you will learn here. A Tableau also you will learn again. So these are the feasibility you will get it. And fee wise it's very less, my friend. It's a 25K. And since you guys have attended my session, right, you will get some discount amount also. You will get some coupon also. So if you guys wanted to upgrade, enroll for that course, you can just take my coupon and you can just go it. If you guys will go for a group wise, right, 2-3 members at one go, each member, it's a huge benefits, guys. Each member will get 3K discount immediately. If you go alone, you will get 2K discount immediately. If you have 4 member, more than 4 member, you will get amazing discount. For that, you will just contact on that number. I'll share that number also, and you can do it, right? So ultimate, this is just like what I can say. It's like an NGO only, my friend. We are just enabling. It's our vision, actually. It's our vision. For Let's Upgrade vision is, they wanted to upgrade yourself so that you can get job. Nowadays, we are living, in COVID era, right? What happened? Most of the company, they get stuck. Everyone is working from home only. So everybody, even though most of the company I have seen, never they have used artificial intelligence, but they are just looking now artificial intelligence only. Wherever the possibility is there, they are looking more data science people so that they can do the high level things. Every organization, just forget about the fortune company, everywhere. So that is there. Amrita is asking placement support, if any competition. Yes, of course, you will get 100% support, Amrita. You will get 100% assistant, right? How to crack the interview, how to prepare a resume, how to make a LinkedIn ID, how to make a GitHub account, everything you will get it here. So don't worry at all. Yeah. And you can see the discount also. So 20K, 25 and just minus your discount, you can see how much is, this is nothing, right? So this is ultimate, the purpose is only to enable you guys, right? Anyhow, you can get a job and you can, and that's the purpose of Let's Upgrade only. Yeah. Anybody have any questions? Please ask me. I'm more than happy to take it. Anything you wanted, which bothers you. Duration of the course. I think we have, Subrat sir, are you there? Or anyone from Let's Upgrade? Are you there, guys? Can you please let me know what is the duration of the course? I think it's a 6-month duration, right? 6 to 7
Yes,
months.
sir.
Ma'am, what is the duration of the full stack course, ma'am?
The PGP courses are for 6 months of duration.
Okay.
And I'll share the links of the PGP courses. Everything is available. All the details, what concept you will be learning and all, you will be getting familiar to that on the links. I'll be sharing them in the chat box. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, guys, any other questions? EMI option, I think, yes, that is also there. Kashyap, you can check with this. You will get complete details, right? All support is there. Like I said, this is just for you guys only, right? Their purpose is anyhow you can get upgrade, right? You can, the name itself is Let's Upgrade. So you have to upgrade yourself and get a job. Purpose is this only. Your ultimate, if I ask you, what is your destination? What do you say? You will say, anyhow, I wanted to get a job or I wanted to learn this, right? So here Umang has shared the link, my friend. You can just go ahead. Okay. And if you wanted to put my ID, I think you can put SUND. I'm just sharing here. And yes, you will get a live class only. Live class. The way I'm taking classes, similarly, you will get it. All doubt, everything. You will get 24/7 support also, guys. 24/7 support, right? If you have any doubt, you can just send a mail on that particular email ID. You will get immediately, you will get answer and all these things. See, nowadays, if you ask me to be very honest, Tableau is something, leaders. Tableau and Power BI are the leaders to do all these things, right? So this is what you can do it. I think I'm just writing here. This is the passcode there, guys. You can just use this and grab the benefits, what offer is going on. You can take my code and do this, because why I'm saying, because I'm working with team very closely and I know how, dedicatedly team are working for your, upgrading your career, the course content, the materials. If you see the syllabus content itself, guys, you will really amazed. You will find a very, very good. So this is the code there, guys. This is the code there. You can use this code. Okay. You can use this code and enroll this. I think the batch will start on 24th, 2 days left there. And you will get, the best part is you will get a PGP certification, guys. And here the best part, even though you are undergraduate, but you will get a PGP certification in data science part. And this is complete package, full stack, means you will get data science along with, you will get artificial intelligence like deep learning, right? Or you will get a visualization, SQL, everything is there. And that's why name suggested is deep full stack with PGP course. Soumya is asking, can Fraser get the job in data visualization? Of course, you will get it, Soumya. See, nobody, all college students, they are a Fraser only. So they have to get a, you have a better opportunity, I can say, right? Because you will start your career as a data analytics or a data scientist. And once you, gain 2 years, 3 years of experience, definitely you will upgrade yourself, right? So data visualization, definitely you will get it. But you have a knowledge of statistics, like I said. Weekend classes, you can check this thing, right? I think weekdays classes there because it's a PGP batch, right? So there is no disconnect. Every day you can get a class. So it's a PGP class, it's a weekdays class, but weekend you can check with the on the link, they have shared this. See, to be very honest, Arya, you will the course content is prepared in such a way so that you will get 15 to 20 real-time case study, right? You can just see the syllabus and all. You will get 15 real-time case study for all sector, right? They have shared, they have taken from industry like financial, they have taken for other stuff also, and you will get other things as well, my dear friend. You will get a case study when you build a regression problem, classification problem, when you perform, to clustering problem, segmentation problem, recommendation engine, right? Time series forecasting. So everywhere you will get a case study, image processing. So there are 15 real-time case study there, and that's why when you learn this part, you will learn deployment also. So that is what you will get it. Some other questions. I'm already working now. They want to imply upgrade ML and RPA. Of course, absolutely. That's the demand. Of course, Babir, absolutely right. For you have to upgrade. Otherwise, what happen if you delay? You know the situation, right? What is happening in other area and all. So definitely you have to upgrade, and you can go in the data science or machine learning part, because everywhere people are talking about RPA, bot, and all these things. So when you learn this, right, you have to do it. Sir, what are the things you are going to teach? I'll teach you data science, machine learning part, and Tableau as well. But you will get, don't worry about this. Can we leave the sessions? Yes, Rahul. So that's it. The things, anything, any other doubt you have, anything which bothers you, you wanted to ask, you can go ahead. Yes, my friend, I will. Yep. Tomorrow session 7 to 9:30. 2.5 hours. No other discussion. We'll discuss only the case study and materials and all. You will get it. You will get a recording also. Yep. It depends, right? Austin is asking what is the average salary of data science. It depends on the location, which location you are, right? But if you ask in India, I can say it would be 7 to 12 lakh for fresher, but depends on the location, right? Which location you are. If you are in Bangalore, if you are in Mumbai, then definitely salary would be high. If you are in other remote area, then definitely you will get less. Dashboard, yes. So I'll come there, guys. So what you do here, you can see the third options. Okay, so question answer will come little later, guys. I'll give me, still we have a 20 minutes time. So we are on the target only. So just give me a second. You can see here what you do. You can just click on the dashboard here, this one. When you click it, you can see by default you are getting seat 1 and seat 2. You can just drag this seat here and drag this seat 2. You can put hundreds of dashboard at one go, my friend. Hundreds of, right? And you can just say entire view. Here you can select automatic so that you will get full space. Show dashboard. And then you can just go here and say, can I do action filter here? You can see this. Use as a filter. So when I'm clicking here, other data gets changed. See how interactive dashboard is. When I'm clicking this, other data gets changed. See? And like that, hundreds of data will change it, guys. That's the powerful tool is there. There are brilliant features there. I'll teach you tomorrow again. Don't worry about this. Yeah. There are brilliant features there in dashboard. If you click in dashboard, you will get a number of things. Here also you will get action filter. You will get lots of action filter here, guys. Filter, highlight, URL, right? If you wanted to put some link here so that, you know, there are big details given, some announcements there, right? What you do, you can just put a URL here so that they will come, they will say, okay, there is a link there. When they click, by default, system will pick there and they will go on that link and they will go through all these things. So that is also possible. So this is what the graph is, dashboard is. You can just put in the presentation mode and you will get it. So what is required, what is not required, you can do. See how brilliant graph is coming. Yeah. Yes, you can convert into Excel format. You can convert into PPT. You can just copy and paste in your other source also. But only thing is, you know, if you copy and paste there, there are some challenge here. You will not get interactive things. You will only get image. African is saying, do we have EMI? Yes, it's there, my friend. That's why I said you can just check with this team. Did you get the link? Did you get the link, my friend? Everyone? Yes, Rahul, we can publish this. You can put in like that, you know, I will teach you tomorrow. I will teach you tomorrow how to publish this in LinkedIn profile and all, right? So when you know, initially I would suggest you can just go and do this part. So for visibility purpose and all. Okay. So just I'm copying this link, guys. You have a chat window, you have a link and all. My friend, you have this link. Please go through this. And like I said, there are offer going on, right? If you guys two or three or more member, if you wanted to upgrade yourself, I'm not able to copy this. No, I'm not able to copy this. So that link is given in the chat window, guys. You can just try it. Timing and all, of course, you will get it, my friend. Yeah, timing and all, you will get it. So you can see here, just now, Umang had shared the PGP AI ML course, Python full stack course, guys. All details you will get it. My request to everyone, please go through that link. If you really wanted to get a job, you wanted to do something, you have seen how powerful tool it is. This is just a beginning. One class, I told you this, right? There are many things you will get it in data science. If you know this, you will learn lots of things, like I said, and you can just upgrade yourself. If you wanted really to kick a start, you know, quickly, you can start your career in this sector. Then please go ahead, please enroll yourself. You can use my code also and you can take advantage, guys. This is all I wanted to tell you. Anybody have any doubt, anything, please put questions. Sir, please share the data sheet for practice. Pratik, I'll share this. I got the link. You will get that link. I will upload all materials, everything. Don't worry.
Everyone, do not worry about the materials and all of the stuff that will be available on your mails as you are registered for the course, and also they will be available on your LMS portal. If you are a registered user, you will just go to the letsupgrade.in website, and then through the website you will have an option of my programs. Then just go to Tableau Essentials program, and in that there will be recording as well as materials for this session. So don't worry, the materials will be uploaded soon after the session.
Thank you, man. And guys, one more request to all folks. Please upgrade, register yourself on the link, right? That is very, very imperative, because all the information you will get when you register yourself, when we have valid email ID, right? Only then you will get all materials, all PPT, everything, whatever you have seen. So I request who has not, submit their profile on that link, please go and update this. Very, very imperative, guys. That is possible. Kashyap, don't worry about this. That is possible. Yeah. That's why, Karthikeyan, I said you please put your attendance, write all the details, register yourself on that link, so that you will get complete information when they will conduct for certification, and also that you will get Tableau certification and all. So you can just put your all details and everything. What is more beautiful, Tableau and Power BI? I say definitely Tableau, because Tableau, the problem is in Tableau cost is little high as compared to Power BI, right? But Tableau, you will get more features, more visibility. You can do amazing things here in Tableau. Power BI, I can say there are some limitations there, but that is due to fee wise, their software cost is little less. I think it's close to $200 or $250 only, but here $840. But here Tableau, there is no competition, I can say. You will get brilliant things here. Any course your side on SAS? Statistical analysis software is again licensed version, my friend. And nowadays the demand is very less. So as and when the requirement comes, maybe they will update you. But right now there is no course. I think it's not there. But in case any demand is there, immediately let's update, we'll update. Please send the LMS portal link. Okay, you will get it. Exam will be conducted in a few days. Guys, it's very, very imperative. Any technical stuffs, any details you wanted to know, when I get the information, when the examination will conduct, what offer is going, when the class will start, anything you wanted to know, right? Any job opening will come, where I can go, where I can apply, how LMS works comes. For that, the first part is you have to update your detail, right? On the link what shared, please update there. That is the very, very significant things. Only then you can do it. Hari Shankar is asking what is the difference in action filter and highlights. Hari Shankar, don't worry, I'll tell you. Tomorrow I'll discuss this. See, action filter, you have seen that, right? I will go manually in this. Highlight means you need not to worry about that. You can just put your cursor. That is called highlight. By default, it will change. So that part you will get it. Okay. Tomorrow I'll pick that part. Don't worry. Can you please share the link? Link already shared by Umang. You can check again. Rahul, very nice question you have asked. So, my dear folks, please understand, to become a data scientist, there is no technical background required. I am not asking that you should have Java background or a C++ language, only then you know it. Even though you have a music background, guys, you can also become a data scientist. Yeah, there are some maths or there are some statistics there that you need to learn. For that, we are here, right? We will assist you. We will teach you that how you learn, how you do this. So don't worry about that. Compulsory, Python, if you learn, and not so much good in program, but I have learned SQL. See, Python nowadays, if you look the demand, right, industry wise, Python has a big demand. Why? Because of deep learning and all. So everywhere they wanted to create a bot, right? You wanted to build something, you wanted to do some amazing things. You don't want to do repetitive things. You wanted to build a RPA, RD, all kind of things. So for that, Python is very, very significant. Python supports all these things. And it's complete open source, right? You have billions of billions data, you can import it and you can perform it. You will get it. So that's why Python demand is very, very high. So I can say, yes, definitely you should know. If you're really serious about your career, if you really wanted to change your domain, if you really wanted to get a job, then my answer is yes, my friend. See, Arif, it's Arif, right? Arif Khan. Yeah. So whatever field you are, right? You have to know these things, and then only you can upgrade yourself. You can go that domain. So knowledge is main thing, right? Don't worry about I have you have a 3 year of experience, right? That matters. That matters. So how they will ignore it? They will consider your experience. Apart from that, you can showcase that I know this, I can build this, I have a knowledge. You have to give an interview. There is nothing called without interview you get a job. You have to appear in an interview, and they will not look right what domain you have. They will only look your knowledge. That thing you can showcase them. You will definitely get a job. What about R? Is it important as Python? R is basically a statistical tools, Rizwan, right? R will also you can do, but there is a limitation in R. You cannot do image processing like convolutional neural network, right? Computer vision. You wanted to do a speech recognition. Some other high level things you can't do in R. But whatever machine learning you can see, like supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, reinforcement learning, time series forecasting, that bit you can do in R. But Python, beyond that, you can do it. All these things you will do it. Apart from that, other thing also you will do it. Can we have a recording session? Of course, you will get in LMS, my friend. Don't worry. To understand the data science well, should I learn Python before the data science? Or see, data Python is a part of data science, my friend. So no need to worry about this. When you enroll for data science, you will learn Python from scratch, all these things. Okay. Which have the good programming language, statistics. Not required. Kunal, not required. Even you don't have any technical background, you have a GEAL, right? You can use the Feynman techniques. When you enroll for this, you can just go and repeat, revise all these things every day. This is what you can do. Which means an interview opportunity provide, let's upgrade. Of course, when we are preparing for data science, definitely we will provide the interview technical steps also we'll discuss. We will discuss about competency skill set. We will discuss about technical skill set, right? How they will ask questions, how you will prepare yourself, how you can upgrade all these things. Basic things, right? When we spend 6 months, do you think we'll leave after 6 months? Our prima facie target is anyhow you can get a job. That's the main thing, and that is why I will teach all these things, right? So once you learn everything, definitely we'll do some mock test. We'll see where the lagging point is there, where you have to improve more. Everything, all feedback, everything will work. Will work very very close with you guys. We believe only and only your success, guys. Our success depends on your success only when you get a job. That's the philosophy we are following it. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. Umang, do you want to pitch? I have completed. I am done for today. Anything you wanted to say, or Chetna ma'am, do you want to say something?
The Let's Upgrade website if you're registered for the course. So just go to my programs and you will have the section for the Tableau Essential, and then you will get the day one and day two both of the columns. So go in day one and then you will find all the materials as well as the recording for the session. And now moving forward to the PGP courses, there are in 4 fields we provide PGP courses. First is web dev, second is machine learning, third is AI/ML, and fourth is Python. All of these 4 fields are one of the major important fields in today's world, so you can check that out there. We have all that information laid out. I am sending the links in the chat as well, so you can watch that. Thank you.